Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve problem of the day in Geeks for Geeks. Today's problem is count pairs in an array. We have to count pairs in an array, and this is a hard level question. Guys, I am going to the question. Uh, my internet is slow today. Uh, count pairs in an array. Given array of ARR of n integers, count all the pairs ARR of I, ARR of j in array such that I into ARR of I and is greater than j into ARR of j, and I and j are follow these conditions. Zero based, it is a zero based indexing. Okay, here he got the answer 2, and here he got the answer 5. I will explain you the logic. And here the time complexity, space complexity of n log n, and here constants are up to 10 power 4. Guys, the question is given that, for suppose if we take the array, if we take the array 1 2 3 5 6, here for suppose we have to find this index is 0 and this index is 1, this index is 2, this index is 3, this index is 4. So we have to find all the pairs where ARR of I into I is greater than ARR of j into j. So and I is less than j. Here condition is I is less than j. So I am multiplying all these things. So here we got 0, and here we got 2, here we get 4, here we get 9, here we get 20. So guys, we have to find how many numbers greater than lesser than this number to left side. Here to 0 there is no numbers, to 1 there is no numbers, because to 0 here 0 numbers, to 1 there is no smaller number, to 4 there is no smaller number, to 9 there is no smaller number, to 10 20 there is no smaller number on right side. Here this question is meaning is we have to find all the pairs which satisfies this condition. So what I am doing is I am multiplying ARR of I with ARR of I with ARR of I with that index. So guys, I will explain you the logic along with the code. So I am converting this array ARR of I into I. Okay, so I converting this array. Now what I am doing is, so we have to find all the pairs. For suppose if we take this test case, what 8 4 2 1, 8 4 2, I am taking these test cases 8 4 2 1. So 8 4 2 1, I am taking these test cases and I am multiplying with their indexes 1 2 3. So our new array is 0 4 4 3. So to 0, how many numbers are left side? How many numbers are lesser than to 0 0? 4 is only 3 is there. For this 4 there is one number, and for 3 there is no number. So 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0. So total is 2. So our answer is 2 here. What he said is we have to find ARR of I into I is greater than, find all the pairs which satisfies this condition, ARR of j into j. So I am multiplying these two and I am checking. So this problem we can done easily by using two loops, which time complexity is n square, because I will explain you that in I will write the code for that. So I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and for int j is equal to I plus 1 and j less than n and j plus plus. And if ARR of I, here ARR of I is Here we changed it, right? Error of here, now here error of I is error of j into j. Here no need of multiply with this. Here I converted here error of j means error of j into j, because we changed it before, and I am increasing the count variable. Okay, now I am returning that count variable, return count int count is equal to 0. Okay, now I am submitting this code. Yeah, we got the correct answer, and I'm doing this final submission. Here we got time limit exceeded. Why? Because here n is up to 10 power 4. So here guys, n is up to 10 power 4, right? If you multiply 10 power 4 10 power 4 into 10 power 4, it becomes 10 power 8. Okay, it becomes 10 power 8. So our total number of execution should be less than 10 power 8. Then only our code will submitted successfully. So what I am doing is, guys, this is observe one thing. So we know the merge sort, right? In merge sort, what we are doing, we can ascend the numbers in ascending order. We can put the numbers in ascending order, or we can do the numbers in descending order. So we can solve this problem using easily merge sort. So we are using here merge sort. Merge sort is here merge sort. So why I am doing a merge sort? Because merge sort time complexity is n log n. So we can, and space complexity is also n log n. Okay, why I choose merge sort? Because in middle steps of merge sort, for suppose I am ordering the elements in this 5 4 3 and 2 1 0, means when I am arranging the numbers in descending order here. So when we are dividing these two elements, we got these two types of parts, and if error of I is greater than error of j, then these all numbers are lesser than this, right? So what I am doing is I am taking the count of these numbers. You will understand more better by the code. Here I am doing this, guys. One thing I am requesting you is, you should do the merge sort application. I am not explaining totally here, but I will do the code. I will explain the logic best from my side. You go, guys, you go in Geeks for Geeks article and read about the merge sort. Okay, merge sort is very important to in coding DSA, and it help you in other solving some interesting problems also. So I am going to the code. Guys, here I am taking one fun function, then I am taking ARR, then 0, then n minus 1, then I am taking count variable. Okay, now int ARR into low, into high, into count. When low is greater than or equal to high, in such cases I am returning, we don't have any return type. We don't have any return type. Now fun ARR low and mid and count, and fun mid plus 1, count count. Then what I am doing, I am merging these two parts. Guys, this is a merge sort application. This is a blind merge sort application, and these problems we can also observe in count inversion problem also. We do the same way. That is also, this is also same problem, but he asked indirectly to us. Med high count. Okay, now I am doing a merge function, void merge fun ARR into low into mid into high into count. Okay, into count. Now what I am doing is I am storing the first low value. Let's suppose, because it will help us in later. I will explain you that also. Now, and I am declaring one temporary array. Here int n is equal to high minus low plus 1. Okay, high minus low plus 1, and I am declaring one temporary array. Now while low is less than or equal to mid, and I am taking another mid, second mid 2. Let's suppose this is a mid 2, mid plus 1, mid 2 is less than or equal to ghi high. Okay, if ARR of low is less than or equal to ARR of mid, then I am arranging the elements in a descending order. Descending order means, for suppose if it is 7, it is 8. I am taking this. If 7, it is 8. I am taking the 8 first, then I am taking 7. For suppose I will explain you this middle step. 1, if it is suppose 8, 9, 7, 5, and other part is 4, 3, 2, 1. What I am doing is I am taking the elements in descending order. So when we merge these two, we get the arrays 8, 9, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How I am doing is, if it is ARR of low is greater than ARR of mid 2, then I am taking this in temporary part, temporary order. So temp of x temp of x is equal to ARR of low. I am taking the numbers which are greater first, then I am taking the number, then I am taking the number smaller. So what I am doing is, here I am taking another variable, int x is equal to 0, temp of x plus plus is equal to ARR of low plus plus. Okay, now what I am doing is else here else condition means ARR of low is greater than ARR of mid. In that case, what I am doing is count is equal to mid high minus mid 2 plus 1. Okay, now temp of x plus plus is equal to ARR of low plus plus, because I am taking the, I am sorry, here I have to put mid. Here also I have to take mid. Here also I have to take mid too. Now here I am taking ARR of low is greater than ARR of, so low plus plus. Okay, if still we remains anything, low is greater than mid. If there is a low greater than mid, in such cases temp of x plus plus is equal to error of low plus plus. Guys, go and learn. The first you have to know the prerequisite knowledge of med sort, then you can solve this problem easily. This is all med sort algorithm. Mid to high, mid to, then I am taking I is equal to 0 to I is less than n, and now I am taking error of low one plus plus is equal to temp of I. Okay, temp of I, yes, temp of I. Now I am I am returning the work count answer. Here we got the error because void merge int high int mid int error. Sorry guys, it is a merge. This is a merge function. My internet is very slow today. Again we got the error. 14th line, where 14th line, again we got the error. Sorry, here we have to find mid, right? Mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. We got correct answer, and now I am submitting this code. Yes, we got it satisfies all test cases. It submitted successfully. Guys, this is entire, it is a med sort. Only we are changing this problem here, and we have to here I am giving the tip you guys is learn the med sort. If I explain the med sort here, video length becomes, already it is 19 minutes. Video length becomes much more. I am go and med sort, learn the med sort from the Geeks or any videos you in YouTube, and med sort plus, and then you can apply this algorithm easily. Med sort is must. And if you still have any doubts in that logic, you please do ask me in comment section. I will give the Java code for this also. And if you have any doubts, please do ask me, and please like my videos, and please do subscribe my channel. Please share with your class friends, and it helped me a lot to do more videos. Thank you guys.